We now step back in time, more modern history, to a morning, Friday morning, early in March 2000, when I was at the morning assembly at Holy Trinity School and sitting where I used to remember it as Mrs. Cheeseman's orchard, and now it's an assembly hall. And here you see the youngsters all dressed up in their school uniform and looking very prim and proper. That's why I've called them cherubs. Reminds me of the time when the Reverend Benjamin Hayward Huddleston Brown was vicar, and he would come to singing classes and he'd walk up and down listening to the voices, and if you got tapped on the shoulder, you knew that you had no other reason that you had to go to choir practice on Friday at 5 o'clock. And don't argue, your mother has agreed.